So over here you can see that I have my ruler enabled. If I don't have my rulers enabled, then I can go around onto the view menu and show the rulers from over here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and then get some guides for reference. In that case, you can go around over here onto the top on the ruler, click and drag out the guides right here. And then these are the guides that you have right here as you click and drag, as you can see right here. You can drag out from the top right here just like this as well, right here. So if I were to go around and click and drag this, then these are the guides as you can see just like this. So now with the guides, you can go around and bring it back to the ruler in order to delete them as well. And you have the guide right here, and then you can see that this is what you have right here. So you can bring it back as well. If I were to go around over here onto edit right here and then onto preferences, then you can go around and change around the color of the guide as well, just like this. So if I were to go around over here and press OK, then this is the guide as you can see right here. So if I were to go around and then go to snap to and guide, if this is enabled, then whatever object that I bring in right here, just like this, I can simply go around and snap it onto the guide right here, just like this as well. So this is what you have right here. And then you can go around and choose around the guides right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with the guides. And if I were to go around over here and then let's say, for example, disable the guide snapping right here. So let's just go around, disable the guide snapping, then it doesn't snap anymore. But you do need the snapping, the main snapping to be turned on right here in order for the snapping to work at all. And this is how you can work around with guides and guide settings inside a Photopea. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.